So guys, recently my friend Trishna shared cat food in New York, and I've never had cat food, but I wanted to try it. Now she told me that the closest thing I can get to it here in Florida is the Halal, guys. So I'm gonna go inside, I'm gonna see what they have, I'm gonna taste their food, and I'll let you guys know if I like it. Rice over chicken, chicken over rice, yeah, with salad. It's really good.
It's good? This here or to go?
To go.
Take picture for him too.
Put the hot sauce and barbecue sauce.
Barbecue?
Yeah, and hot sauce. Was the first one the hot sauce?
Yeah.
Put more.
Before?
More. More.
More?
Yeah. Yeah, that's
spicy 20 times more than
I love spicy.
from your.
I eat habanero. So that's the beef, gyro meat, and then the rice. Okay.
We have the tomato here.
Do you come here a lot? Yeah. It's my first time trying them. But I tasted it and it was really good.
White sauce, hot sauce, barbecue sauce. White sauce. This good?
More.
More?
Jalapeno.
Good?
Jalapeno.
Jalapeno, little? Jalapeno?
More.
And chickpeas?
Fried chickpea. We have something similar. We call it kachori
I don't know.
from India.
Yeah, made from chickpeas?
Chickpea, yeah,
What's the
chickpea.
name?
Kachori.
Chori?
Yeah.
And you fry?
Yeah.
You know what I know from India?
What do you know?
Amitabh Bachchan. You don't know Amitabh Bachchan?
Oh, Amitabh Bachchan. Yes, I know him. I was thinking
Yes,
food. I'm thinking food.
He's star, yeah?
Yes, yes.
He's still like 80 something?
Yeah, he still acts.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I love Indian.
Yes. Nice. Okay, so thank you so much.
You're welcome.
And have a good one.
You too.
Bye.
Bye.
So guys, here I have the food. I'm gonna give it a taste. And yes, I'm in my car today. I have a lot of errands to run. So let's give this a taste. It's pretty good. And that hot sauce, it is spicy, but it's a really delicious hot sauce. Not vinegar based. Okay, Trishna, if this is tasting good, I can imagine how cat food in New York will taste, because the barbecue sauce and the white sauce and this hot sauce, this is really good. I can't believe I took this long to come taste this. Guys, I hope you give this a try. Check out for the closest Halal guys in your area. Remember, they're only located in the US, so you have to do a location search. So if you visit, make sure and check them out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick vlog on Halal, guys. I'll see you guys in my next episode.